Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where today I'm going to be showing you the store demo mode on this 65-inch LG C10 OLED. Now, manufacturers include store demo modes on their TVs, so when they are in a retail environment, they will be put on that mode and the TV will display numerous images and videos to help sell the TV. Now, each year they often change up these store demo modes, so I thought it would be interesting to see what is going to be displayed on this new 2020 LG OLED. Now, just before I fire up the store demo mode, I just got to say a big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk for sending me out this 65-inch LG C10 OLED. And if you would like to buy one of these, then I'll be leaving a link in the description that will take you to the guys at Box. And yeah, if it wasn't for the guys at Box sending me out TVs like this, then I would not be able to make videos like this for you guys at home. So I would appreciate it if you are considering buying a new TV, then please check out the guys at Box. Right, so in order to get up this store demo mode, we're going to have to grab our remote control and do a long press by holding down the settings button there. This will bring up our main settings where we then go to General. Once we're in General, we're going to go down to Additional Settings. And then you can see that brings up Home and Store mode. Going to click on that. And we're currently in home mode, so we're going to highlight and select store mode. And it says store mode is for in-store display purposes. It will reinitialize the settings every few minutes. Do you want to close this app or start the store mode? And I'm going to start the store mode. So let's take it away. There we go. Now, I have seen this one before in the past, so this isn't a brand new one. It may go on a bit further and change, so we will have to see. That looks, every time I see that, that just looks absolutely mint. Look how clear that is. That looks absolutely stunning. Again, that one. Now, if you run this demo, watch this in a dark room, it's just mad. The black levels against the brightness there. Trust me, it looks stunning. It's a proper show-off piece. Again, perfectly black, really bright there. It's probably not coming across so well on the camera how vibrant that does look, because I've had to adjust it so it doesn't blow out too much. Look at that, beautiful. And I know we can see reflections, but I'm in a very bright room at the moment. Absolutely glorious. Now, I don't know if that's going to just end there or rotate back round or show something else. We shall see. Oh no, different one. See up there it says Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. Just looks absolutely nuts. Look how clear that looks. Looks wicked. I wish you could see how bright this is in person, but I've got to sort of balance it out that I'm not blowing out the background too much and everything. So it's hard to sort of get it across to you guys at home, but you know, I tried my best. Let's just turn it up a little bit. Stand back over here a bit so you can get a overall view of it. Is that the end of it? Let's commit to an HDR. So it's playing a third one now. So let me know what you think. Think it looks any good? And talking of sort of brightness and reflections, I will be doing a dedicated daytime brightness and reflection test with this TV. So there we are back to the start again. Now, just a quick warning that if you do want to run the store demo mode yourself, that it will reset your picture settings. So just please be mindful of that. I would hate you guys to lose all your picture settings that you've taken time setting up. Well, there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. And if you do, please hit that bell icon, because otherwise you will not be notified of my latest uploads. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.